I'm Andy Bucheski. I'm here to talk about the D9T CMR that we just completed at the Lexington branch. I'm here with Bobby Way. He's our lead technician that was on over this project, and Evan Jones, who assisted him with getting all the major repairs done on this, components swapped over. So Bobby, how long have you been working on CAT equipment, and what do you enjoy most about this type of work?
I've been working on CAT equipment about 35 years. The most satisfying thing is the complete tear down and a complete restoration of the machine.
Evan?
I've been working on CAT equipment for about 3 years, and I enjoy most just being busy, having a lot of work ahead of you, a lot of stuff to do, and the final product.
So this machine is for one of our local customers here in the Lexington area. They use it at a power plant to push stockpile coal, push coal into the hoppers and stuff. 2010 is when it was built. It's got about 18,000 hours on it. It's not had any major work done to it until now. We've gone through and completely reconditioned, repaired everything, replaced from top to the bottom. Bobby, can you go into detail on what certified machine rebuild details?
This certified here, which like most of them, we bring it in, completely strip it down to the bare frame. We send the frame over to the paint shop where he sandblasts it. Then it goes through the weld shop, but they recondition it, line bore any holes, check the welds on it, make sure there's nothing wrong with the welds. All the tin wear is completely sandblasted. All the components are stripped down, radiators disassembled. This machine here has all reman parts in it, reman engine, transmission, torque, final drives. It's got brand new hoses on it, brand new wiring on it, the lights. The cab is completely disassembled, painted, and most components inside of it are put in new. Pretty extensive, just like a restoration of an old car. It's pretty much what it's like.
And like the components that we didn't reman or anything, like the hydraulic control valves,
Yeah.
do you go through and reseal all that and inspect everything?
We
in that too?
disassemble it. CAT has a certain amount of parts that are required to be put in. All the valves are completely disassembled. You know, put new springs in them, new seals. That's pretty much it. Yeah.
And Evan, you worked on the cab, didn't you?
I worked on the
Could
cab.
you give us some details on the process of that and everything that was done to it?
The cab was completely tore down. It's actually in 2 pieces, and we sent the top and bottom piece over to the paint booth and then to the weld shop, and they work on it there, and then it gets painted. Then it comes back over here and we put new wiring harnesses on it. All the metal pieces that are inside the cab get sanded and painted. All the plastic trim pieces and air duct pieces inside the cab are bought new. Everything in the cab is new. Joysticks, steering control, all that is built. Foot pedals, the foot controls are rebuilt, repainted. So the inside of the cab, by the end of it, should be just like you're sitting in a new one, brand new.
A customer decided to do this rebuild on this machine, and the advantages of doing a rebuild on this size of machine is it was about 60% of new, minus the blade. That was a big factor. They didn't have to buy a whole brand new machine. They saved about half the money almost, and they was able to get a brand new machine. It's got a new serial number. All the clocks for the components on there turn back to 0. They're all reman, brand new. The whole machine basically is brand new. This particular machine's gonna have a extended warranty on it, and not just your typical 1-year warranty. I think this one's got the 60-month, 10,000 hour warranty on it. So we're very excited here at Boyd Cat to deliver this machine to our customer next week to get it back to working. I know the customer, as we've been sending them updates and pictures of it, they're very excited. They've been coming up to see it, but they are very excited to get it back on site and put it back to work. This machine will last them another 15 to 20 years.